So today is Saturday and it is our first open day for this term. Let me turn this down because copyright. Yes, so this is our first open day for this term. We're very excited to be able to teach Siva Afi to families here in Melbourne, and yeah, we hope to get some footage of that today. Good morning. It is Sunday. I am awake, kind of. I'm gonna have myself a cacao. I'm gonna shower and get ready for the Bobby Alu breakfast. I'm so excited. It's gonna be at Living Cocoa, and there's gonna be cocoa rice, sufai, and cocoa. Yay! So I'm ready to go. I'm just going to do a quick fit check. So I have my Measina embroidered champion bomber jacket. This is the 2XL, so they're quite big and can easily put a hoodie underneath for winter. I've got just a plain grey t-shirt, my Manulua fanny pack, and let me see if that's my fit for today. It's time to go to that Bobby Alu concert. Sunday. Going to go to Bunnings and get some stuff for my garden. Yeah. So I am here at Bunnings and I'm here to get some, what am I getting today? Some soil for, so I can move my hibiscus and frangipani plants into a bigger pot. So that's why we're here at Bunnings. There are more frangipani plants here. I'm very, very tempted to get another one. What do you think? Tell me in the comments if you think I should get another frangipani. So I found my potting mix, and yes, it is a tropical fruit salad. So excited. I've got a white one, and then this one looks like a peachy yellow with red. I'm going to need to remove myself from the plant section, otherwise I will keep buying stuff. Yeah, I love Bunnings. Okay, bye. So I'm back in the car, and I did buy another plant. It is a gardenia. So there was a little flower there, and that just made me want it even more. So my grandmother had a really, really amazing tropical garden in Samoa. And I guess I'm kind of trying to recreate that in my own garden here in Melbourne, except I don't have tropical weather, so whatever I can I will get, and if not, I can dream. So my back is really sore. I need a rest. Ran out of petrol. I don't know where to find it. I'll have to wait till my husband gets home to finish the lawns. Guess that means I can plant my plants. So I have 2 frangipani plants, a hibiscus plant and a gardenia plant to repot and place in the garden area. We have these. So on the left side we've got bulbs. Oh my goodness, is that a plant coming through already? Oh, how exciting. So we've already got some of the bulbs starting to grow through, even though they're supposed to go dormant in winter. That's interesting. Okay, then we have our veggie garden, which is just greens and some carrots. That's crazy amount of ants. I don't think that's good. And then we have our summer plants. They're so pretty right now. So there's the zinnias, and these are the alyssum, and these ones didn't grow very well, but yeah. And so this is the side that gets, this is north facing, so it gets a lot of the sun. And then that corner is my mum's succulents and her other plants that I think are indoor plants, but we had no room indoor. So what am I trying to say? Frangipanis are supposed to grow best in Victoria along a north-facing wall, and the only north-facing wall in our house is near the washing line, and it doesn't get much sun because there's a fence and then there's some big trees, so it doesn't get much sun. So I'm thinking, because the is north facing, that we might be able to use that as our north facing wall instead of a wall. I'm gonna give that a try and replant them and put them in front of that. Try and move these around so that there is more light coming through to them. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking so far. So I'm replanting them into these fabric, so they're quite massive. I'm expecting them to be higher. I'm not good with sizing, so they're really big, wide, and they have holdy things on the side. But I've been watching gardening YouTube videos and TikTok, and so there's this one lady who uses fabric because she also rents her house, and so this allows her to replant them easily and move them and still, yeah. So I'm gonna try these and hope that it works. They're really big, so I'm hoping they're not too big. Wish me luck. So I forgot, I miscalculated how much soil I'm going to need to replant these plants, and so I only got 4 bags, but each of these containers hold 2 bags, so I can plant 2 now, and then I have to go 2, 4, 6 more bags from Bunnings. So I have finished repotting the plant. Very happy with how they turned out. So I didn't change anything here. So they all stayed the same, but they're all in their pots now. And they're all along this wall fence. So hopefully this is a good place for them. And yeah, stay tuned. The garden is planted, finished. My back is hurting, so I'm showered and in my pajamas already, ready to rest. The only thing I have left to do today is watch WrestleMania Part 2. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. Morning. Today is Tuesday. Had a rough night. My back was aching, so I tried the TENS machine. That didn't really help. Then I tried the heat massager. That didn't help. Then I took some Panadols and was finally able to sleep. And then people in the household don't know how to turn off their alarms, so I kept waking up because the alarms were going off. So yeah, I'm still a bit tired, but kind of hungry, so it's time to make some breakfast. Come make my breakfast with me. I think I'm just gonna do porridge and cocoa. Oh, excuse me. So ever since I have been working at the school, I have missed working from home. So Fridays are my day to work at Measina. So I don't work at the school, I work on Measina. What I love about it is that I get to work from home in my pajamas majority of the time. That's like my dream. So when I'm on holidays, I love that I can put aside time to do that, because again, that's something that I love to do, and that's one of the perks of being your own boss. Oh, it's a bit hot. Yeah, and so today I'm working from home on Measina marketing, which is my second business, where I do social media management and also teach about social media. So that will be what I'll be doing most of today. I have a client that I am planning out their social media for next month, so I need to get that all researched and planned out in time for me to create the content and get their approval again in time for next month's scheduling. So excited about that, and I should get another client's work to do for this week, and if I have time I will be doing Measina marketing content creation. Last week was a flop. If you didn't know, watch the vlog from last week. I went to the library. I will not be doing that today. Today is a stay at home, work in my pajamas day. So I'll finish my food, then I'm going to do social media stuff. So, if you watched my goals video, I'll put the link in the description. One of my goals was to buy a CPAP machine, and so I rented one so that I could try it out and see how it's going. And it was great. I got some really good sleep and I ended up purchasing one, so that's amazing. Now I need to send it all back, and I'm not exactly sure how to do that. I'm sure it stays in this. Oh dear, I hope I haven't thrown that out. That's probably some kind of an envelope or something that I'm supposed to yeah, use to send back. Okay, so let's unplug this. That doesn't unplug. Okay, unplug this. Oops. So yeah, I've purchased a CPAP machine. It should arrive sometime next week. In the meantime, I need to send this one back. Yeah, so I have to pack it away in its cool little carry bag. I don't think I have a carry bag for my one. That's a bit sad. But yeah. No, that thing is here. This thing. Now this is supposed to come off. I don't want to break it. Oh no, it comes out. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Anyway. One's mask 2. Mask 1. These are mask 2. So yeah, my goal was to get a CPAP because I've been tired. I didn't know if that was my endometriosis, adenomyosis, or whatever kind of stuff it was, or if it was because I wasn't getting enough sleep because I have sleep apnea. And so yes, I did the sleep test. I have sleep apnea. Now I've tried sleeping with the CPAP machine. I know that it works, which is excellent. And I'm really excited to get my own machine because it costs me about $35 every week. It costs me $35 every week to rent this. And if I rented this for a whole year, that's the same cost as me purchasing this same version outright. Yeah, so I have purchased it. It was $1,799, and that also came with, what did that come with? It came with its mask, the actual machine, a free pillow, and something else. I don't remember what. But yeah, excited about that. Found it. I knew I put it somewhere. No, I didn't find it. Okay, this is, oh yes, I found it. Almost cried. Okay, so now I've got all of this stuff ready to send this off, return it so that I no longer have to pay for it. And so that's another goal of mine ticked off for this year. What is another goal that? So yes, another goal ticked off, getting a ResMed CPAP machine. Yay! Oh, and look at my new Kylo Fi t-shirt. I got some printed off so that I could see what it looked like. So I got my jumper, waiting for a drink bottle. But yeah, I like them a lot. I'm excited for the launch of the new products, so keep an eye out for them. Yeah, they'll be coming out in May. Good morning, it's Wednesday. Was a rough night, rough morning. couldn't sleep properly, and now I woke up to some pain. Yeah, pain is gone away now, but I just had to write out a list of everything I need to do today, because there's a lot of stuff I need to do. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I think I have ADHD. I'm pretty sure I have. I'm working towards getting diagnosed, just because it's getting worse. The symptoms are getting worse, and I feel like I could do with some medication. But yes, so I've written down everything I need to do today so that I don't forget anything. Because if I don't write it down, then I forget, and even if I do write it down, sometimes I will forget. Yeah, so go to shower, go to the post office, buy tickets to Sydney, do some client work, send invoices, do bookkeeping, and file a BAS. Wish me luck. So I'm showered and I'm dressed. Look at my new Kalufai hoodie. I'm really happy with this. I reckon it looks good with the off grey, white grey, athletic grey. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, so headed to the post office to return my my CPAP machine that I was renting. My new one should be delivered sometime today, so I'm excited to not have to be paying that every week. Yeah, so going to the post office, then back home where all of the rest of my work is waiting for me. So I am home from the post office and I have ticked off another thing to do on my list today. So I had my shower, I've gone to the post office, and I bought tickets for me, Mum and Logan to go to Sydney at the end of the month. So yay. Just realizing I've spent over $3,000 in less than a week. Yep. Still have some work to do, but I am going to eat some food and have a drink. Oh, yeah, I'm back. I have just finished my bath and I got some money back, so yay me. I also sent out an invoice, so I have one more thing to do today, and that is my client work. And so once I'm done with that, what is our time? I get to relax all before 2 o'clock. Oh, I'm excited. Talofa, it is Thursday. So one of the things that I've been trying to do for myself is, especially during these holidays, is to at least do one thing where I am completely by myself, so that when I am older I don't have to rely on other people to go to the movies with me, to eat at a restaurant. I can just do it by myself and I'll be used to it. And yes, so today I am going to lunch by myself at Mabu Mabu. Yes, I'm really excited, but before I go, let's do a fit check. So I have my Siva Afi warrior t-shirt. I've got some Tanoa pants, and I have a denim jacket. And if you look, I have Singapore earrings from Tyler Ba'el. So I am on my way to the city. I hate driving in the city. I hate driving. So I'm here at the train station catching the train because I hate driving in the city. So I'm like, it's 10 o'clock. My booking is at 12. So this is the price I pay for not driving.
Beekeeper here from Rooftop Bees, and if you see that building over there with the satellites on top of it, we have 2 beehives on top of that roof. And I think the guys at the AV stand might be giving us a live feed to the bees. Are we on live? Oh, there they are. So if you look up on the screen, you'll see the beehives that are sitting on that roof right there. One looks a little bit different to the other because I pinched something. So one beehive has a really pretty roof and one beehive looks like it's missing a box because this is the box. Okay, now that we've got our steps in, we need to add our hips in. So we need to go wiggling our bottoms, and then we get our wings in. Yeah, you guys are great waggle dancers. So if you can imagine, in a beehive, it's really dark. They can't see and talk like we can. So what they have to do to communicate where there's pollen and nectar, they have to do a dance. And so
very lucky I found this gallery just next door to where I'm supposed to eat lunch, and I love the indigenous art that has been here. One thing that I found was interesting was that they're indigenous artists, but they don't necessarily have to have indigenous patterns or meanings. But yeah, very cool. thank you for watching the video so far. If you liked it, please press like and help support us by subscribing to our channel. Tell us in the comments what you would like to see more of in our next vlog, although our next vlog is going to be in Sydney, so yeah, you can still tell us. Okay, Faftaite lava to fa safe.